Hi guys, my name is Alex and today we're gonna show you how to apply 4 modifiers at once in Blender 2.93. So let's get started. You can see I have the Blender file open and I have 4 modifiers. If I want to apply them all, I can use this built-in plugin in Blender. You can find it on Edit, Preference, and write Modifier Tools, and you can check it in, see it disappeared, and toggle it on. So it's gonna appear again. It has 4 buttons: how to disable to don't view your modifiers, toggle the stack if you wanna modify something in it, any options. You can delete them all and you can apply them all. See, I just applied all my modifiers to this hard disk. So this was it, quick, short. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and stay tuned for new tutorials, short ones. Have a great day, guys. Bye.